Hey everyone, today's video request was from Marsha, who asked how to make stickers for my planner without having a Cricut or any type of cutting device, how to find stickers on the computer, etc. So today I'm going to be showing you how to find clip art and also how to turn that clip art into stickers. And I'll be going over some options for how to cut those stickers without a cutting machine at the end of this video. In order to find free stickers that you can make without a cutting machine, Pinterest is a great starting point. I put together a Pinterest board that I linked down below that has some free stickers to help you get started. If you want to make your own stickers though, I personally like to use free clip art using hungryjpeg.com, and you just go to the Forever Freebies section. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using free editing software called GIMP. So to set up your workspace, you just go to File, New, and then change your image size to 8.5 by 11 inches. Under Advanced Options, change your X and Y resolution to 600 pixels per inch. Click OK. Now you want to add your clip art. So go to File, Open as Layers, and select each PNG before clicking Open. And you can arrange it on this black background if you'd like, but what I would recommend doing is making the background transparent. To do that, you'll need to first select the black background layer in your Layers tab on the right-hand side of the screen. Then go to Layer, Transparency, Add Alpha Channel, then go back to Layer, Transparency, Threshold Alpha, and you want to set the value to 1. Select the Move icon from the toolbar to move your clip art into place. To quickly make your clip art larger or smaller, click on the Scale Layer icon in the toolbar and then click on the clip art that you want to resize. Then adjust according to the size that you want it to be and click on Scale. If you ever need to double check the size of one of your layers, you can also right click on it, then go to Layer, then Scale Layer. If you'd like a little more help with lining things up, you can create placement guidelines by clicking the ruler at the top and then pulling down and dropping the horizontal guidelines into place. Vertical guidelines can be placed by clicking on the ruler on the left-hand side and then pulling to the right to then drop the vertical guidelines into place. You can also line your clip art up horizontally and vertically using the alignment tool, which you can access by holding down on the Move icon in the toolbar. Just select the images you want to line up and click on the button that says Center. To create a rectangle, click on the Rectangle Select tool and then change the rectangle to the appropriate size. So for example, if you want to make a full box sticker for the classic size Happy Planner, you would change the size to 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And then click on the Bucket Fill tool, select a color, and then click inside your rectangle to change the color. If you want to add a design to your rectangle, you can duplicate a layer by right-clicking on that layer and then selecting Duplicate Layer. Then crop it to size using the cropping tool. Then to merge those designs with your rectangle, you need to move them directly above your rectangle in the Layers tab. And then you would right-click on the clip art and select Merge Down. This will merge the layer with the layer beneath it. You also have the option of adding text if you'd like. The final step is to go to File, Export, and then export the file as a PNG using the default settings. Then I just opened up the PNG file and printed it out using the high quality setting on my printer. So here I have the stickers printed onto clear sticker paper and white sticker paper. There are 3 types of ways to cut that I would recommend. So one way for straight edges is to use a paper cutter. You can just use scissors, or you can use an actual cutting tool on a self-healing craft mat. So here in this example, I just cut out these shapes using the cutting tool. I'm using a Fisker's craft knife in this example, but what I've heard is a better option for cutting out stickers is a tool called a gyro cut. There is a video by East of Honey where she compares the gyro cut to the X-Acto blade, so I'm going to leave the link to that video if you are interested in learning more. But I would love for you to comment below with what tool you prefer to cut your planner stickers with. To make the banner shapes on here, I just freehanded them, but I do have a video that shows how to make actual banner shaped stickers if you want to learn how to do that, and I'll link that video down below. I'm also going to use the Fisker's cutting knife on the clear stickers to show you an example of what that would look like. Clear stickers work great for layering over other stickers and are much more forgiving in case you make a mistake when you are cutting out your stickers. So I hope that you got some ideas from this video about how to make stickers without owning a cutting device. If you want to see more ideas for how to make stickers, check out this video next, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye! I told him I can be